Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. You guys have probably noticed that within the last month, Amazon released a new 3rd gen 2021 version of the Fire TV Stick 4K and the Fire TV Stick. So today we're going to discuss, is it worth the upgrade? Yes or no? I am kind of disappointed, and later in the video, I'll tell you why. Stay tuned. If you guys find this video and my other videos helpful, please click on the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified for all future and new videos. For all my existing subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for staying subscribed. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting my videos. For anybody that's new here, hi there. I run the Mr. Man channel. I do tech video reviews, Amazon Fire TV sticks, Android APKs, and tech videos and more. So if you can, hit that red subscribe button. It'll be really appreciated. So today we're going to talk about the Fire TV stick. Now, we all know that it is one of the most popular streaming sticks out there. Usually what people do is they like buying the Fire TV stick when they get like a TV or a new TV or anything, because these days smart TVs with the built-in smart OSs just is not as powerful, and they don't get as updated as the Fire TV sticks. Now the 3rd gen, which was recently released, as you guys can see here, in regards to the actual remote, the remote does look different, but the actual stick stays exactly the same. Now here is the thing that I'm kind of disappointed at. So let's go ahead and scroll down here, right? So we all know that last year in 2020, Amazon released the Fire TV Stick Lite, right? So basically that is the most basic and cheapest version of the Fire TV Stick. Really cost effective. If I go ahead and open it up, it's basically $25 American, right? So that's basically the best of the best, cheapest solution out there. But this year they released the Fire TV Stick and Fire TV Stick 4K. Now, what's the difference between these two, right, and the original standard Fire TV Stick from 2020 or the Fire TV Stick 4K that I currently am using as well? You'll notice that both of them, for the remote, you get the new remote for both of them. That's awesome, right? Dolby Atmos, right? You get the 2021, right? So again, this Fire TV Stick 4K is what I have. This is last year's release. This is the new one, right? So this is what I have, and this is the new one. Look at the hardware. It's still 8 gigabytes, right? And it's probably the same processor and the same body and the same everything. So the only difference that you're actually getting from the new one to the old one is you're getting the new remote, right? So the thing is, them calling it a whole new product, it's kind of, not true. They should basically just call it the Fire TV Stick 3rd gen, which includes a new remote, not branding it as a whole new product, right? Now I can go ahead here and, for example, search for the Fire TV Stick 4K, the 2021 version, but I think they're currently out of stock. But there is a version of the new Fire TV Stick, which is a 3rd gen Fire TV Stick 3rd gen here. Yeah, so this is the new one here with so you can tell it's new because the blue Alexa button at the top and the dedicated Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu, right? But I do know that of this version there is also a 2021 version of the Fire TV Stick, which is the exact same thing, 8 gigs, 2021, Dolby Atmos, 3rd gen remote, but it supports up to 4K. Now, I'm not sure why I can't find it currently, but they're probably out of stock. But this exact same Fire TV Stick is the same thing as the most recent Fire TV Stick, but you have a new remote, right? So if you look at the actual specs here, nothing here is different, right? So it's still the same GPU, the same processor, right? The only thing different is the actual remote itself. So that's why they call it the new 3rd gen remote. So they should have called it Fire TV Stick 2020 with the 2021 remote. So that's why if I were you and you guys have the Fire TV Stick 4K from 2018, which is what I have, or the Fire TV Stick Lite from 2020, it's not worth it to get the 2021 version. Unless you really want the extra remote, right? The extra features, it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm not sure why Amazon didn't release new hardware, because to be honest, it's only worth the upgrade if you're actually getting new hardware. But in this example with Amazon, they seem to have flunked this section. So this is only my opinion. If you guys want to go out and buy the Fire TV Stick 2021, the 3rd generation, which comes with a new remote, by all means go ahead. But if you have the Fire TV Stick Lite 2020 and you're going to the 2021 version, still gonna be same specs, right? If you're going from the Fire TV Stick 4K, the Fire TV Stick 4K 2021 4K, again, not worth the upgrade. I'd say if you have the Fire TV Stick 2017 or earlier, it's worth the upgrade, but otherwise I would skip this device. And I also didn't purchase to review it as well, because I currently have this one here from 2018, and it still works wonderfully. As you can see, the only difference is the remote is different. So, what do you guys think? Are you guys going to buy this new Fire TV Stick? Or do you think Amazon is just, they want to release some sort of new product just to keep up with the market, right? And there you guys have it. If you guys found this video helpful, leave me a thumbs up down below. I'll leave my Twitter below as well. Any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.